Welcome to Holden Court, Brighton, where unparalleled charm meets modern living in the heart of a vibrant city. Step inside and discover a world of beautifully designed, fully furnished apartments. Whether you're in a cozy studio or a spacious two-bedroom, each unit boasts stunning interiors and ample storage space, making life as comfortable as it is stylish. Make the most of the shared amenities, from the games area where you can unwind with friends to the communal lounge perfect for socializing. Need to catch up on laundry? The laundry room is always ready for you. Plus, with high-speed internet and a ping-pong table for some fun downtime, you'll have everything you need to balance work and play. Located just a short walk from the University of Brighton and King's Brighton, Holden Court puts you within easy reach of top universities. Whether you're taking in the views at the iconic Brighton Pier or enjoying the buzzing atmosphere of the North Lane, there's never a dull moment. Plus, with great public transport links, getting around the city has never been easier. At Holden Court, Brighton, every day feels like a getaway. Don't just live inspired. Visit amberstudent.com today and take the next step in your Brighton adventure.